to manage notifications on your Android applications. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to do so to reduce your distractions or control what alerts you receive, here's how you can do it. So we can go ahead and open up Settings app and we can turn on the notification on or off for an app. So we can go to Notifications, tap on it, and look out for App Notification, tap on More, and find your specific application here. And all you gotta do is toggle the option off for notifications. So if you do not want notifications from gallery, you can tap on it in order to turn it off. No notifications from that app. If you want to tap on it again and turn it on, you can customize it further. That is one of the things. Apart from that, what we can do is we can customize notification category as well. For example, for gallery, you can tap on the specific application and go to the option called notification category and tap on it. After we do so, here we'll be finding different options such as sound, vibration, pop-up display, lock screen visibility, silent mode depending upon the device. For this, we only have these 4 options. So you just need to go over and tap on the notification category and tap on one of them that you would like to turn off. Once it is done, it will let you silence promotional alerts but also keep the important ones. You can just go and do so. Apart from that, you can set notifications to silent. So once you open up your notifications, what we can do is we can look out for the option called silent notifications or tap on do not disturb and turn it off, and the notification will appear but won't make a sound or vibrate. And that is it. You can also snooze the notifications, but usually just doing so should work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.